Politics, justice, umnotho, emphakathini. The stories that matter, wrapped up for you every week. This is the Gagasi FM News Wrap, hosted by Spumelele Zondi.
Hey Donna, igama uSiphumelele Zondi saphinde sahlangana futhi as we do every week. Saphela mangoso politiki. Kodwa ke kuyekuthiwa singasho ukuthi abantu abadala banamanga mhlambe banamasipho noma masiphosiso, but there have been some truths ebesingawezwa kahle lapha yakoso politiki abasiphethe kulelizwe. Siqala ngo-President Cyril Ramaphosa, kuphinde kube khona uSibiya ophethe laphaya kwezamaphoyisa ususpendiwe njengamanje, bese kuba khona-ke noSenzo Mchunu oke wavela phambi kwe-ad hoc committee this week. Alright, so alqale la lolu daba. UPresident Cyril Ramaphosa ubelokhu ephika umuntu ebekuthiwa hayibo lo muntu uwumshana wakho, igama lakhe uHangwane Maumela. President Cyril Ramaphosa bethi akamazi kwangimazi akamazi emadala ejudeni lo Hangwane Maumela. But what then happened ukuthi uHangwane Maumela lo uyabandakanyeka kuleziya inkinga ezikhona laphaya eThembisa Hospital. Siyazi ukuthi kuhlele ikomiti elalele inkinga ezikhona ngobugebengu la eNingizimu Afrika, and also about the infiltration yosopolitiki emsebenzini wamaphoyisa, bese qhamuka yona lenkinga yaseThembisa Hospital ekuthiwa kudliwa imali kulesiya sibhedlela, sidliwa igebengu ekusolakala ukuthi zisebenza nosopolitiki nezinye iziphathimandla ekuthenini how the money should be chowed kuleso sibhedlela. Bese kuthiwa ke uHangwane Maumela ungathi uyena ungqondongqondo who is behind all of this okwenzeka laphaya eThembisa Hospital. Kusenjalo iSIU seke yaya laphaya ekhaya lakhe uMaumela lo, yafike yathatha wena mali hundreds and hundreds of millions of rand that were just sitting in his house. Kuyazi ukuthi awukwazi ukhipha imali engako ogcina imali engako ewucash laphaya endlini yakho, ngoba kumele ngabe iyaziwa usazi nokuthi ivelaphi le mali engaka esendlini yakho. If you are not involved eyintweni ezifana nale corruption engaka ya eyenzeka eThembisa Hospital. Kwathi kusabhekwe eyimali kwabe sekuqhamuka nezimoto zikanokusho, luxury cars, beautiful blue luxury cars that were found in that house. Iy'thombe mawuzibuka ukuthi yey khona abantu abaphila thebelele eSouth Africa. Wathi-ke uma ebuzwa again uCyril Ramaphosa kusabhekiwe kunjalo eqhubeka emphika, kwase kuvela amavidiyo. Lama video amveza ehleli ne-celebrity efana noTibo Touch, bemile kukhona abafikayo bezoqhawula kumnandi kuyahlekwa laphaya ngaphandle kwendlu yakhe uHangwane Maumela lo. Siyayichaza kuPresident Cyril Ramaphosa le ndaba uthi hayi angimazi uHangwane Maumela, sesiside isikhathi ngadivosa u-anti wakhe ngaleya mnyaka u-anti engangishade naye. uHangwane Maumela lo umuntu nje engike ngambona, asike sizwe-ke kodwa uVincent Magwenya eyichaza oyi-spokesperson sakhe umongameli.
So that he has no personal relationship with Maumela. He is not related to him, except he was once married to his aunt many years ago. And so we do note the ongoing desperate attempt from some quarters of the media and others on social media to continue perpetuating this falsehood and seeking to link the president to this gentleman. We've gone further to even obtain confirmation from Tibo Touch that the video and pictures formed part of his original post. He was coming from the airport, he says, going to the Saxon Hotel with Bishop Noel Jones. At the time, I'm informed that this house was under construction.
Ukumphika akugcinanga lapho. President Cyril Ramaphosa ke wavela phambi kwe-National Council of Provinces, i-NCOP, laphaya ePhalamende. Usaqhubeka neculo lakhe lokuthi angimazi, kodwa akasasho ukuthi angimazi kwangimazi, angimazi inhlobo. Sekuyavela ukuthi hayi ngake ngahlangana naye kanye ngake ngahlangana naye mhlawumbe kabili asikaze sihlangane kangako kodwa ungathi ukuhlangana kona kukhona kodwa uthi ahlobene njengoba abantu becabanga ukuthi bahlobene.
His aunt, who is my former wife of 47 years ago, is his aunt. And he is really not my relative as such. So I have encountered him, and you can make what you like of it. Do I deal with him? No. Do I meet him and sit down with him? No. Do I visit him at his house? No. Am I appalled at the allegations that are being made against him? Yes, I am appalled.
So President njengoba sibona ukuthi uze wavuma ukuthi uyamazi uHangwane Maumela lo kodwa ke bake bahlangana kanye noma kabili bengasitsheli ngani lokho kwasekuqaleni kanti aqali la ukuthi izinto esho President Cyril Ramaphosa get questioned ngoba kukaningi abantu bekhala ukuthi engabe usitshela iqiniso engabe usitshela into eyamanga kuhlekwe ngoba phela uPresident umuntu oyihlekelayo bese yavuma singakubuyisela ephalaphala la kwabakhona nezinto ezaqale zaphikwa zase ziyavunywa kwase kuyasho ukuthi hayi beyikhona ngempela imali sathola incazelo ngendlela esathola incazelo ngazo kodwa ke ekugcineni kwaba ukuthi kuhlekiwe nje kwadlula futhi ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo. So if someone first denies izinto ayishoyo ekuqaleni kuhamba isikhathi bese eyayivuma engabe singamkholwa yini ezintweni eziningi ezenzekayo ikakhulukazi njengomholi wethu ekumele ngabe usinikeza i-direction about where izwe should actually be going. Kodwa ke akayena yedwa umuntu ongathi useyinkingeni zokufike aphike izinto avume izinto angazi noma kumele athini. Umuntu oke wavela phambi kwe-ad hoc committee eParliament this week kube uShadrack Spear siyazi ukuthi u-Deputy Police Commissioner we-Crime Intelligence la eSouth Africa. uShadrack Spear ziningi izinto ekade ephekwa ngazo siyazi ukuthi naye uke wamentionwa kakhulu ubaba uMkhwanazi uke wamentionwa kakhulu lapha ubaba uMasemula kodwa ke uke wathola ithuba lokuthi ayiphenele khona la ekade buye abhajwe khona nangebhajwe.
I've received many complaints against General Mkhwanazi. I could still do the same and say, I want to arrest him. I could still do the same. Not that I am stuck somewhere, I can't lift my foot and then he can do it and I can't do it. I said it, I think, Chair, even yesterday, that I know Brown from the time he contacted me. I didn't know him. The very first time I got to meet Brown is when on January 8, he called and said, I'm going to General 8, are you going to be there? I said, yes, I'm here on operations, we are working here in this. General Mkhwanazi ukhuluma into angazazi nje. There's nothing like that. That's what General Mkhwanazi is talking about. It's in his own head, in his own mind. What
is your definition of an activist?
An activist is a person who is actually an activist is a person who's I'm looking for the right English word, Chair, who is actually no, it's not a difficult word. It's just there's this word that is disappearing in my mind. I take it that they will be with the political killing task team project manager.
Why were they taken?
They were taken, brought by them to be taken to where they needed to be taken to. It's a document where they say to you, it's an exercise where they say to you, there's no right or wrong answer. This is just to look at your character and whether you are a strong person and which character you are. You don't really even need to spend time on this thing because there's no way you will get this thing right to say you are right or wrong. So I wrote what I wrote and the result came the way they came and say, you can be suitable here and not here. That is what happened.
Why pass on the fail?
Well, I don't. It doesn't say you failed it like it's a it's like whether you passed. What do you call it? Let me say it was not positive.
Why pass on my fail?
Okay, let me say I fail.
Okay.
Yeyi bampheka umuntu wajuluka wangazi nokuthi i-test wayiphasa kayiphasanga ngendlela wayifeyila sikaze siyibone into enje kodwa ke ekumphekeni bengekho uJulius Malema. So where was Julius Malema ngenkathi uSibiya bempheka ngendlela ekade bempheka ngayo? Kodwa ke emva kwalokho kwi-ad hoc committee kuke kwavela uSenzo Mchunu, siyazi ukuthi uminister wamaphoyisa who is currently on special leave. Ekubeni kwi-special leave enjalo kwaye kwavela iy'ndaba zaBrown Mokgotsi. uBrown Mokgotsi lo kubalwa ukuthi middleman ngesinye isikhathi phakathi kwazo lezi iy'gebengu ekubalwa kuzona noKeth Matlala engike ngamusho ekuqaleni obhekene namacala athize ukuthi ekubeni middleman lo ekusolakala ukuthi uyena wathi cha angimazi uSenzo Mchunu ngenkathi emchaza uMokgotsi lo. Emva kwalokho wajika wathi hayi ngiyamazi ngokobcomrade angimazi nje ungimazi kahle hle kodwa uma ngabe ubheka lapha kwi-internet yakho uzobona ukuthi abeyindaba bake basho ukuthi uMokgotsi ungathi campaign manager kaCyril Ramaphosa kwi-CR17 ngenkathi efuna ukuthatha lapha kwi-ANC kodwa akaziwa waziwa ngobcomrade nje kuphela kodwa wayekhuluma nabeyindaba kuma-campaign CR17 kanti uMokgotsi lo akaqali ukuphika noma kugcinanga lapho ukuthi aphikwe ngoba wathi uFikile Mbalula we-ANC esekhuluma naye wathi ngaye wathi inkinga eke yaba khona ukuthi ungathi akanayo i-membership ye-ANC uMokgotsi lo. uMokgotsi wathi hayi bayadlala nginayo i-membership ngikhona kwi-branch ye-ANC abakwazi ukuvele bathi nje angikho waze waphikwa nangomuntu akekho nofuna i-association naye. I'm sure naye akasazazi ukuthi kuyiliphi lona ngendlela aphikwa ngayo kulesikhathi sanamhlanje. Kodwa ke ungazibuza ukuthi who knows who baphikana kangaka ithini indaba yangempela awuke usitshele nawe ngesikhathi ufake wakho umbono bayazana labantu abazani ikuphi kuyiqiniso ikuphi engelona iqiniso uthini wakho umbono sitshele kuma comments khona la ngaphansi siyoyixoxa ke kodwa la siyohlangana khona mina nawe uma sesihlangana bukhoma ungakhohlwa ukuthi uyasithola khona la ku YouTube uyasithola khona la kwi app yethu usithola ndawo zonke ngiwusiphumelele Zondi phinde ibonane ngokuzayo.
Catch a brand new episode njalo ngolwesihlanu ngo-4 ntambama. You can watch the podcast here noma ungalaleli inguquko yomsindo kwi-app yeGagasi FM noma inini noma ikuphi. Gagasi FM News puts KZN first.